Have you ever brewed blue pea flower? Beyond its incredible color, it has a lot of health benefits. Today we are locking that goodness into a homemade syrup, where you can store right in your fridge for 7 days. It's perfect for elevating your favorite chai into a gorgeous cafe-style drink, or mixing up a refreshing summer cooler anytime. Here is how to make it. Let's start with the blue pea syrup first. Gently rinse 11 grams of this vibrant blue pea flowers to wash away any dust and debris. Then set the clean flowers aside. Next, bring 200 milliliters of water to a boil. Once boiling, kill the heat and let it cool for 5 minutes. Drop in a small piece of pandan leaves, followed by the washed flowers. Give it a brief stir, cover and let it steep for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our vibrant blue decoction is ready. Press the flowers well to extract every last drop. Save a few of the steeped flowers for syrup later. Stir in some castor sugar and let it simmer on the lowest heat. Stir until the sugar is fully dissolved and your syrup is ready. Let the syrup cool completely before pouring into a sterilized jar. Now fold in those saved flowers finely chopped. Give it a quick shake to watch those vibrant petals dance. Next up, let's use this liquid magic to mix up a beautiful barista-style drink. Into a hot pan, toss in cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Dry roast the spices for 30 to 60 seconds. Splash in 100 milliliters of water to catch all those toasty flavors. Next, slide in the fresh ginger slices and some loose tea leaves. Turn off the heat, cover with a lid and let it steep for 8 minutes. Lift the lid and you got a perfectly rich, concentrated chai decoction. Filter out the spices and leaves, leaving just the rich chai liquid. Into a 300 ml container, pour in half of the decoction. Pack the glass with ice cubes and use the back of the spoon to layer the milk right on top. Top it off with the blue pea syrup and watch the gorgeous colors swirl to give it that ultimate barista style. Top it off with a mountain of fancy whipped cream. Add a gorgeous drizzle of syrup and a delicate scatter of the dry blue pea flower pieces to crown your creation. Now that is a pure cafe-style luxury right at home. Coming up last, a super refreshing sarbat powered by the gorgeous blue pea syrup. Squeeze the juice from half a fresh lemon right into a glass. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of the gorgeous blue pea syrup. Pack it with ice all the way up to the rim. Heat it with that fizzy sparkling water and some lemon juice. Right before it goes out, add one final drizzle of magic blue pea syrup. Stir it up and you can see the entire drink turn into a stunning, swirling cosmic galaxy. Seriously, who needs a cafe when you can make magic like this at home? Just to upgrade your drinking. Now go ahead and treat yourself.